Here's a clean, unique, and YouTube-ready script with your switch account method included. How to fix no audio generated in Google AI Studio, text-to-speech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the no audio generated problem in Google AI Studio, text-to-speech, including a simple trick that works for many users. Let's get started. First, open Google AI Studio in your browser. Now, try generating your audio normally. If you see the error, no audio generated, don't worry. Here's how to fix it. Method 1. Switch your Google account. Most effective. Go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. Now, switch to another Google account. If you don't have a second account, you can quickly create a new one. After switching accounts, reload the page and try generating the audio again. In many cases, the issue is related to account limits or temporary restrictions, and switching accounts fixes it instantly. Method 2. Refresh and retry. Simply refresh the page and try again. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. Method 3. Check input text. Make sure your text is not too long or contains unsupported characters. Try using shorter, simple text to test. Method 4. Change voice or language and try again. Some voices may not work properly in certain regions. Method 5. Use VPN, optional. If the issue is region-based, try using a VPN and reconnect. Then reload the page and test again. And that's it. By using these methods, especially switching your account, you can fix the no audio generated issue quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Crossed out and cropped for your today's video part, and finish the text track.